Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read Lemonade in Winter, a book about two kids counting money by Emily Jenkins and G. Brian Carras. So, you've already read parts of this book for the last two sections, but for this section, which is business plan, we're going to be focusing on the parts of the book that talk about the materials that they had to prepare and how they got those materials because you are going to make your own business and plan it out, and you are going to find those materials and sell a product or service, just like these two kids. So let's read it and focus on what materials they needed and how they got them. An empty street. Outside, a mean wind blows. Icicles hang from the window sills. Inside, Pauline presses her nose to the frosted glass. I know, she says. Let's have a lemonade stand. Mom shakes her head. Nobody will be on the street, she says. Don't you see? It's freezing. We could still have a lemonade stand, cries Pauline, skipping with her idea. Lemonade and limeade, and also lemon limeade. Dad wrinkles his brow. Nobody will want cold drinks, he says. Don't you hear the wind? But Pauline is jumping with her idea now. Lemonade and limeade, and also lemon limeade. Doesn't it sound yum? John jumps too. Yum, yum, he cries. Can I help, please? Pauline and John collect quarters. They empty piggy banks and search pockets. Each time you get 4 quarters, that's $1, says Pauline. 4 quarters, that's money, says John. Ah, so I see that their first step. What do they have to do first to get those materials? Think about it. After that, Pauline and John at the corner store in hats and mittens. 4 lemons cost $1. Those are some materials. 4 limes cost $1 too. More materials. $2 for sugar, $2 for cups. We have 24 quarters, and that's $6. Pauline tells John as she counts out the money. Look at how they're kind of putting them in arrays, arranging them neatly. They can totally tell how much they have just by looking at it because they're so neat with their money. They run through the bitter air with a large paper bag. That's shown in this illustration. Mom says nobody will be on the street. Dad says nobody will want cold drinks. Pauline and John are too busy to hear. Squeezing lemons, squeezing limes, measuring sugar, pouring water. See it cut up? They're putting sugar in there. They're squeezing it. Lemonade and limeade, and also lemon limeade. Outside that mean wind blows. Icicles hang from the windowsills. I wonder if they really mean that the wind is mean. I don't think so. They must mean something else. Maybe nobody is on the street, says Pauline after a bit. Ooh, I forgot about the illustration. It says lemonade and limeade, and also lemon limeade. Wow, they really stuck with that slogan. I'm on the street, says John. I want them. He grabs a cup of limeade. Don't drink too much, Pauline warns. It's 50 cents a cup. So watch the next video to learn about how you can retell the steps that they took and also learn about how to get your materials ready for your own business. See you then.